Okay, I've been working on another hack here and hacking together a Bluetooth record player. I wanted to show the insides before I put it together because won't be able to see then. I'm using the Art Accessories Pro Grade Phono preamp. The Shure volume control board and Bluetooth transmitter that I bought online from Amazon. Each has its own power supply. I've wired together 3 wall warts and turned them into a power brick. Each device has its own separate transformer, so there's no interference, noise, or ground loops or any issues with it. And this is an RP190 all copper RCA turntable I picked up for 20 bucks. I still have to get an idler wheel for it, but other than that, the thing's working wonderful, and I'm also adding suspension, taken off of just a junk changer, so it'll have vibration isolation as well. So I'll put this together and demonstrate it fully functioning. Okay, got a few records on here. The Shure volume control, which is after the preamp and before the Bluetooth. Like I said, I still need an idler wheel, but that time it worked.
The magic dragon lived by the sea and frolicked in the autumn mist in a land called Honolulu. Little Jackie Paper loved that rascal.
Got suspension. We have push to mute, push to mute, push to unmute. Push to mute, push to unmute. Some of these records are too thick for the spindle. Nobody can forget this song. It's so bad. Wouldn't surprise me if I get a copyright strike for that stupid song. course, the last record will play forever. And that turns everything off. So there it is. I'm waiting on hardware I ordered so I can attach the lid, corner protectors, feet, and a carry handle. But that's my Bluetooth RCA Victor RP190. If anyone's interested, I have a mint Bakelite plinth. Absolutely nothing wrong with it. $20 plus shipping will take it. Gonna hang on to it for now. I know this is the part that's easily broken, and that one's in perfect condition. So, and it's very shiny. So that's available if somebody needs one for $20 plus shipping, which is probably going to be about $10-12. I really have to protect it well because it's Bakelite. Bakelite does not ship very easily. So yeah, this has been my next project, a Bluetooth RCA 45 player.